lang ang aking kabaklaan ng bonggang-bongga. Hindi ko na-expect ito. My gosh, salamat talaga ng marami syempre kay Babe sa pagdadala ng aking beautiness dito sa sa Science Arts Museum ng Valencia. O diba? Bongga. Oh my God. What a nice view overview. Oh my God. And the beaches. It's nice, Babe. Oh my God. Nasa tuktok kami guys ng ng kabundukan dito sa sa mountain. So dito yung bahay ng kaibigan niya. BFF niya. So mapapansin niyo dagat yan. Yan. Dagat po siya. So, gusto ko yung mag-swimming sa kabila. O diba? Nice view kaayo ko eh. Matutulog for how many days? Cheers, hungry.
Pour protéger les fonctions, je ne connaissais pas ce bois. Et en fait, c'est bien plus. C'est un chat acide. Ouais, c'est bleu là. Et non, c'est de la fumigation que. Non, c'est de la fumigation. Donc le huilé, mais moi c'est pas terrible. Et là, justement, on supporte la cuisson. Et puis c'est bien, c'est la faute. Pour nettoyer, c'est la vie. Tu peux faire dessus.
Oh God. Oh my gosh.
A million stars here in the shadows. I know you're scared. Take my hand together, we'll make a stand. We've got to fight to find a way. Therefore, to find out what's safe. I don't want hate. Just admit that you're just afraid. Time to let go of all your fears.
Like to try something with crayfish, small fish, or crayfish and lobster?
I want fritura.
Only fritura, crayfish. A big plate like that for you, for 2 persons. 25
Arroz negro beef, that one? The one that we eat in Malta?
It's almost the same.
It's almost the same, no?
What do you want? You want deep fry or you want fish?
I want fritura, special, but it's huge. We cannot take it all.
You can make half of that.
Half of that.
Half of that. The price will be 50.
It will be lesser.
And next to that, I can put a fish to share, or sea bass or sea bream. Do you like the sea bass? Or sea bream?
Lubina is lower.
Lubina. One lubina. Half of that, it will be between two persons. It will be like this. 15 euros. And in this price, also you will get a liter of drink. You can go and beer for you, whatever you like. It is in the price. And after, and also a plate of steamed mussel. Everything goes for 20 euros. For 2 persons. Then you have half of that, one like this, with chips and salad, a plate of steamed mussel, and the drink.
No.
So, yeah, it's okay for me.
You want to see the kaya?
Yeah, of course. We will come back.
Okay.
Enjoy your time.
Gracias, amigo. mura lang oh, yung prutas nila oh, lemon. 1 euro. Tapos ito, 5 kg in one bag. 5 euro.
Yeah, this one is for the juice.
Yeah, for the
And
juice.
this one is to heat.
For to eat. Mura lang talaga siya ng bonggang-bongga.
Ten. Okay.
Ayan no, ito naman 5 kg, 3 euro lang ang orangeness.
Okay. Not 10 lemon. 10 kg.
10 kg.
10 kg. 10 kilos.
10 kilos.
Yes kilo.
Sorry.
No.
So that's why I say 10 or just 10. Oh,
Yeah. No.
sorry.
No. Perfect.
Perfecto. And it's crowded.
I will wait for you here.
Where you can stay babe for a while. Masyado. Dito na nga ang aking ang aking tunay na kabaklaan nandito na sa beach. O di ba? Oo. Kasi kanina dapat maliligo na kami ng bonggang-bongga. Ako lang pala kasi init na init siya ng bonggang-bongga. So yun, bumalik ulit kami. Nag-nap tapos ito na. Ito na siya ng bonggang-bongga. O diba? So ang dami naliligo. Babe. No, closer to the beach. Okay.
So when here.
I think here, babe. There is a pangalan ko sa aking pamilya. Tumutulong ako. Trabaho na naitanong sa niya ko. Mercedes ang pangalan ko sa aking pamilya'y tumutulong ako. Nagtratrabaho ng kahit ano, sanay ako magbanat ng buto. Yan guys, so ang ganda ng Science Museum. Dito lang po yan sa Valencia. Para siyang opera sa Sydney, Australia. My gosh. Bonggalicious, oh my gosh. Mapapawaw na lang talaga ako ng bongga sa ganda nito. Babe, this area, this side. Guys, ganito siya kaganda, oh. Parang nasa Opera Sydney ka lang talaga. O diba, bonggang bongga. Parang nasa Sydney ka lang. Kasi hindi ko inasahan to ng ganito siya kabonggang bongga. O diba, bonggalicious. Oh my god. Babe, can we go down, please? My God. My gosh, ang ganda talaga. Oh, diba? Naloka ako sa aking kabaklaan ng bonggang-bongga. Wala man tayo sa Sydney Opera, Australia. Well, meron naman Valencia. Ng bonggang-bongga. Oh my gosh. Super happiness lang ang aking kabaklaan ng bonggang-bongga. Hindi ko na-expect ito. My gosh, salamat talaga ng marami syempre kay babe sa pagdadala ng aking beauty. Salamat talaga ng marami syempre kay babe sa pagdadala ng aking beautiness dito sa sa Science Arts Museum ng Valencia. O diba? Bongga.